Show you this song. Ooh, almost 3,500 people.
Мы начали эту песню писать, да, но без рубашки, без футболки гонял он, блядь, весь клип, нахуй. А это topless, you know?
Yeah.
The
whole thing, yeah.
Time.
I'm naked the whole time, yeah.
Весной мы сидели на студии, хотя не видно, блядь. Мистер Слэм.
Мистер Слэм.
Весной мы на студии сидели, и, короче, Морган приехал в Россию, you come Russia, spring. И мне Серега закидывает, типа, идею, типа, давай, типа, с Морганом еще фит ебанем на английском. Я такой, ёбаный рот, я же, типа, my English is like this, you know, with a
But in the song,
Russian accent. Russian accent.
In the song, no, it's perfect English,
И,
bro.
короче, еще Амиран приехал. И Амиран там на английском... Шпрехет, да, блядь. Я стоял у микрофона, блядь, I'm saying near microphone,
Yeah.
Амиран мне говорил, короче, какую интонацию делать, чтобы попасть, короче, в этот less Russian accent.
Yeah, way.
Типа меньше русского акцента, и мы попробовали, и получилось, короче... Я, когда слушаю эту песню, я все равно слышу, типа, a lot of Russian accent, you know, when I listen to this song.
No,
But
it's fucking perfect.
The accent itself is not bad.
No, it's good.
It's just like how you carry it.
Yeah.
Maybe it's my...
I like it though. It's like it's broken. It sounds good.
It's something like Eastern European.
Yeah, it's
like
nice. It works perfect with the production.
Ну и, короче, все, мы записали эту песню, стояли вот прям вот... Амиран мне по строчке объяснял, типа, нет, вот здесь вот broken. Я такой, broken. Broken. Вот, это был интересный экспириенс, охуенный опыт, блядь, и мы решили, типа, ебануть песню на английском. Мы сейчас вам ее презентуем. Когда она выходит? 22-го, сегодня 19-е. Да, через 3 дня. Мы что-то, собрались на студии, и сегодня решили, короче, вам приколоть ее.
Okay.
Start?
Let's go.
Let's go.
You have the version, yeah?
Угу.
Надеюсь, вам понравится.
Так, подвинь чуть-чуть, я не вижу. Ага.
You broken. You should make t-shirts broken.
No, you know, broken, like, have no money.
Yeah, you broken. Yeah.
We broken.
Так,
Do you want to translate?
I want you and I hate it, try to fight it, but I gave in. Lips like kryptonite. Yeah. I want you and I hate it, you're my poison, I can taste it. Every time we kiss it's like lips like kryptonite. You're Satan. Little holes in your forehead, babe, you ain't playing. If you were, then you score with a amazing. You're a whore, I'm a whore, where the fuck we were.
That's Gleb singing English, bro. That's so cool.
I was raised a gentleman, I'm pretty far from gentlemen. Go as hard as venison, go to war like veterans. Got a sword and everything on the floor. Been sweating, I'm pretty sure we're getting a little sore. Where did that come from? That bomb that bumped up against me. I fucked up your name, it was Mackenzie. Got a text from your number and jumped on my 10 speed. I love when you tempt me again, please. I want you and I hate it, try to fight it, but I gave in. Lips like kryptonite, lips like kryptonite. I want you and I hate it, you're my poison, I can taste it. Every time we kiss it's like lips like kryptonite.
Best part of the song right here. Broken.
Broken. Try to fix all the shit we're in, but we're hopeless.
His English is great.
Wanna run, wanna hide, wanna dive in the ocean. You're a whore, I'm a whore, let's get it going. And I don't wanna talk a lot. Sitting in this parking lot, drinking Arnie Palmer as my stomach rots. Are we gonna fuck or not? Fuck, I fall in love a lot. What you want? Driving straight to hell and I don't wanna stop. And it's true, I'm a dude who's pretty up on this. Off of the wall, ever since I got off of my meds. I shouldn't call, but you got me where you want me again. I thought we were friends, I guess it's pretty obvious that I want you and I hate it, try to fight it, but I gave in. Lips like kryptonite, lips like kryptonite. taste it. Every time we kiss it's like, it's like kryptonite. Broken.
Fuck.
I like this.
Dude, it's so good, bro. Hey, his English is good, bro. So good.
My English is very bad, bro.
Что думаете, им продолжать вместе делать такие треки?
He said,
Варианты ответов да или да.
he said what do you think?
Yeah, what do you think about this song, yeah?
No, this song.
What do you think?
About tracks together.
Yeah, it's good, bro. Dude, we make great songs together, dude. We make great songs together, bro.
Broken.
You broke.
Ждем совместный EP.
Waiting to get EP.
Yeah, we have to.
Это мед.
You only love me when you're drunk.
Hi. Masterpiece.
Fuck yeah, dude. It's awesome. Good shit.
Че? Расскажем чуть про трек.
Yeah, can you talk about track, about what you mean?
Yeah.
А я сразу скажу, типа, текст писал не я, текст весь Моргана, потому что, блядь, я на русском такой хуй, блядь, поймишь, как пишу, блядь, а текст полностью Моргана. Инструментал сделали типа, пацаны, Серега и Кирилл, и кто-то еще.
Ну и Морганов сэмпл Морган дал.
Сэмпл, и я просто, типа, спел. Поэтому Морган сейчас расскажет про трек.
Yeah, I mean, kryptonite is like, you know, Superman, and kryptonite is what, like, can kill Superman. And I kind of thought of this idea, like, me and a girl, and she's my kryptonite. She's the one thing that can kind of, like, kill me, you know? And that's in her lips. Every time I kiss her, she kills me. It's kind of simple, but if you know Superman, you know kryptonite kills. And this song is just about a girl trying to kill me.
Boy or girl? Good girl or
Bad girl.
bad girl? Prostitute or...
Not не проститутка, нет. Yeah, I think it's a good girl, but she's bad for me. You know, like she's bad for me. She kills me. You know, we're not good together, but every time we get together, sex.
Sex? Прям секс, блядь?
Every time we get together, it's sex, bro.
В принципе, про это
Fuck, bro.
песенка, да.
Do you guys like Gleb singing English? Gleb singing English cool or no?
I don't like.
I love it, bro. It's good, bro. He has a like a sad voice, and it sounds good in English.
Like it's something special.
Yeah, bro, it's a group,
there's some
super
sort of
group,
chemistry
bro.
there, man.
Of course I have a sad voice.
I know.
In Russian too.
Yes, that's on a... Everyone says yes, Gleb. Okay, more songs in
English good.
Yeah, yeah.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Gleb in Russian. Gleb sing like God.
Кто-то по-русски писал I don't understand.
His English is good.
Мясо.
Это мясо, да. Yeah.
But ты на русском умеешь читать уже? You can read on
Yeah,
Russian?
yeah, oh yeah.
Ты видел, как он прочитал это мясо?
Yeah.
Ебать. Все, наш человек, да?
Лучший. Лучший. С днем рождения.
So, I think
It's great.
over.
Yeah, it's great. Comes out Friday.
Yeah.
And music video. So cool.
Да, кстати, да,
I
у нас
think-
есть еще клип.
Да, мне кажется, то, что мы успеем клип в день. Мы еще клип...
3 days America. That's cool, bro.
No. It's dangerous. It's dangerous now.
3 days worldwide, bro.
Yeah. У нас еще клип есть, мы забыли сказать, то, что мы сняли клип, когда еще в Рябухе лежал. Типа, я выехал на один день, Морган приехал в Россию, и мы сняли клип. Мы посмотрели, we watching final cut. We think it's
It's good.
fine.
It's great.
Yeah, I'm kidding.
It's great.
Cool. cool видео.
Вот пример охуенной дружбы двух пацанов с разных точек.
Where cultures meet.
Окей, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
С вами была Изба. Всем пока. Прямо из Москвы.
Что ты, фраер, сдал назад? Не помазды я тебе. Love you, bro. I said